I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the final remastered build and that update's applied. This ensures compatibility. Next, make sure you've progressed through the early Z story so the Android side quest appears. Once done, gather Zenny and training items because you'll need to trade and upgrade. If DLC content unlocks the Android, enable it now. These prerequisites reduce roadblocks and let you focus on the in-game steps without backtracking or missing triggers. You now trigger the Android sequence by talking to the marked NPC. This kicks off the quest chain. Once started, follow objectives in order, collect parts, clear enemy waves, or complete designated time trials, because skipping stages can lock progression. Make sure to use fast travel between mission hubs to reset spawns and conserve time, and adjust equipment before combat to match enemy resistances. If craft or fusion steps appear, assemble components immediately so the quest advances without missing. You finish by completing the final assembly or beating the concluding boss. That action commits the unlock so the Android appears in your roster. After that, verify the character screen and save to avoid rollback. If the Android does not show, reload a prior save just before the quest, retrigger the sequence, and make sure all required patches and DLC are active, because missing content often blocks recruitment. If problems persist, restart the game to clear temporary state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.